Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Fifth Third Bank on desktop, secure access step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.53.com. Press enter to navigate to the Fifth Third Bank homepage. Once the page loads, locate the login button. The login button is typically found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the secure login page. Here, you will see fields to enter your credentials. In the first field, input your user ID. Make sure to double-check for any typos before moving on. Next, find the password field directly below the user ID field. Enter your password carefully. If you want the system to remember your login information on this device, check the Remember Me box. Once all the information is entered correctly, click the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your account dashboard. In case you forgot your user ID or password, click on the corresponding link below the login fields. Follow the on-screen instructions to recover your information. Always ensure you are on a secure network when logging into your bank account. Once logged in, navigate your account dashboard according to your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.